Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making lime tortilla chips with just a little hint of salt. So it's going to be really easy, and let's get started. So what I have here is some corn tortillas. I've got a lime. I've got some warm water that I put about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in. You can just do it to taste. I did a 1/4 teaspoon and probably 3/4 cups of water. And we're just right now I'm just going to cut these up into little tortilla chips. So as you can see, I just quartered them, and now I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime to my salted water. I'm going to be using this pastry brush, and I'm going to be brushing one side of these chips with this solution, and then they're going to go on this little rack here, which will make them crispy on both sides. And this is just a cooling rack that's oven safe up to 450 degrees. I just got this at my local kitchen store. They're really easy to find. You could find them online. So basically, let's get this out of the way. You're just going to take your chip, take some of the solution, and brush that on there. And you don't want to be too heavy-handed. You kind of want to shake off the excess. And we're going to cook these in a 375-degree oven for about 4 minutes on each side. You're going to check them after 3, and then if they need a little bit longer, a minute's usually enough. So I'm just going to continue to paint all my tortillas, and then we'll put them in the oven. All my tortillas have been coated with the lime salt water mixture. You want to make sure that they're a single layer, they're not touching, you don't want to crowd them. So we're going to pop this in a 375-degree oven, and we'll put the timer on and we'll check them at 3 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes, so I'm going to flip these, and then I'm going to cook them for another 4 minutes, and then we will be ready to taste. So this is the finished product. It was about 4 minutes on each side at 375. I paired this with some of my homemade salsa. I'll put the link to that recipe in the description box, but let's give it a try. Did you hear that crunch? And you know, it's just like a hint of lime, a little salt. It's not overpowering. It's really, really good. So I would love for you to try this recipe. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate does determine your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.